Welcome, in front of me is a CAT S61, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, you want to pop out this little thing right here. Now for me it is quite in there, so I'm gonna use something to pry it out. Fingernails won't really cut it for this one. So there we go. And as you can see, once you take it out, you have the SIM tray. But there's also another tray. So as you can see, this little white thing, you can use your fingernail to pull that one out. And this is the SIM/SD tray. So you can place either a SIM card or an SD card on this. I'm going to be using this for SD, as you can see. So once you place it on there, flip it over to the other side. Now you do want to hold the card in place, otherwise it's just going to fall out. Might be actually better just to flip the entire phone and simply slide it in there. There we go. And for the SIM card, let's do the same thing. Place it on the tray, and then gonna flip the phone over and insert it in carefully so the card doesn't fall out. And as you can see, the SIM card is working because it is requiring the pin, and SD card is working as well, which you can see right over here. So that is how you would insert both the SIM card and SD card into this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.